Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Huggy Wuggy, Lisa's head. It's going to be real simple, easy for beginners. It will be intermediate, I'll say, because there's going to be like small details here, but for the most part, it can be real easy because I'm going to walk you through it. So, and he's got a pretty simple shape overall. But that's it. Let's get started, alright? I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to start with the eyes. And literally, it's a ball right there. Go over here on this side. Literally a ball here as well. Gonna over here curve. So it's gonna. He still has, even though he has a ball for an eye, he still has a giant pupil and iris. Mostly you're just seeing the iris. Same thing over here. So you have to kind of trace another one in there. Dot over here for a highlight, and the highlight would be on the same side. I'm going to fill this area with dark. If you have a pencil, you can just shade it in. You can use anything you want, by the way. It doesn't really matter what you use. It's kind of, free for all. You can use any tool. I use a marker because I just think it shows up on camera a lot better for a demonstration. And it does have like a cool feel to it too. Alright. Then we're going to draw the smile. He has this like Play-Doh-esque smile, right? So it's kind of like it curves up here for a snout, right under the eyes, and it curves up along the edge over here, and it does smile. Alright. I'm going to find the... that day whether you want to draw that or not. So it's kind of cool. It gives you this kind of buffet of choice, right? That's what I try to do with this channel. Buffet of drawing choices. All right, and let me see this over here. All right, let's go into the teeth. The teeth can be small or they can be like pretty big and take over. So I'm gonna make them small. See this? It like almost like needle shapes. Like so. Like this. Like these smaller needle shapes. Kind of makes it look like it's going to tear you up more. If you can go in here and strategically fill in the negative space right here. You don't have to do that, but I guess I'm going to do it since I told you guys to do it. It's going to make the teeth look smaller though because of the edges. It's filling in one edge and you can only see the other. So just kind of be aware of that. If you're using a marker, that is. If you're using a pencil, you can do whatever you want. It's more control with a pencil. A lot of these things, you just kind of use them as a step-by-step. You can pause it, and go at your own pace. But it's fun to draw characters like this. Huggy Wuggy. I don't even really know where he's from. He's from like a video game, right? I just thought he had a cool design, and I see him a lot on TikTok videos, so I was just like, who is this? But he looks cool. If anybody wants to tell me about him, tell me about him. Line over here, so I'm trying to give a little bit of texture, a little bit of depth on just the lips here. I'm putting a line here, putting the little scratches here, just to make it look a little bit like there's, yeah, like a little bit of dimension to it going on. Alright, let's draw his seesaw head. So I'm going to start maybe from over here, like side of his lips here. And I'm going to go in here. And I'm going to zigzag my way up. Tie thing going on. It's like, I don't know what it is, like a rope that is tied like a bow. So line over here, line over here, line on the inside of that because it's a rope, line on the inside of that because it's a rope, line over here, line over here, line over here as well for the armpits, right? Line running up there. Whew. And then you can draw some extra stuff over here because I feel like it needs more dimension. So you could draw maybe thinner lines right here all over the place because there's fur. You could draw thinner lines. Just gotta draw them all over the place, these thin lines, just as long as it goes in the same direction. So obviously the direction will go up here, up there, right? Because the hairdos like go in that direction. Just gonna throw that all over the place. Because it's thinner lines, it comes out as detail as opposed to, you know, not detail. That's the thing. It'll come out. It won't be in the way, basically. It's not going to look like these gigantic lines. It'll look like these detail lines. But that's it. If you like that, like, hit the subscribe, hit the like. You know, like, most of the people watching this are not subscribed, so try to make this the video that you do. And that's it, all right? I'll see you next time. Hit me up with requests, and stick around for the announcement. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing,
boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.